So we'll figure it out. All right, this is Louisiana Night Part 2. Let's look at the time signature first. I keep going the wrong way there. We have a time signature of 3-4, which is a little more difficult because that means that we're going to be counting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Notice that in the left hand, almost all of your notes are dotted half notes. So those are just going to be, you're going to play it and hold it for 3 beats. Here you have something that you probably haven't seen before. This is actually the note B, and we usually see it down here on the bass clef. But in this piece, your right hand is going to play that note B, and it's on its own little, or it's under its own little line there called a ledger line. It's the B that comes right before middle C. It's right below middle C. So we're going to start with finger 1 there, even though there's not a finger marking. And then for your left hand, well, let me just get down here and see where I want it to go. So, let me talk about the first and second ending before I do that. So you're going to play through the whole piece here. When you get here, this is what's called a first ending. You're going to take the repeat, go all the way back to the beginning, all the way through all of this. But the second time through, we don't want to play the first ending, so we're going to skip over that and play the second ending, and then that'll be the end of the piece. All right, so my right hand is going to be playing B right here. So I'm going to go ahead and set up with my thumb on B. And what's weird about this one is my left hand is actually going to be playing up to middle C, which is kind of odd. So, in fact, let's just do this. I changed my mind. Let's do middle C position. When we have that B, we're just going to scoot the fingers down a little bit, and then we'll scooch them back up. So we really only do that kind of at the beginning. So I'll be playing G here. I'm going to scoot these fingers down. See how I'm doing that? Leaving a gap between 5 and 4. So I'll scooch them down and I'll play like this. And then I'll play like this. And then when my left hand goes up to play C, I'm going to move these fingers back over. So it's just a little tiny little shift. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and start with this in C position, but I'm going to kind of shift these over and move that thumb out of the way. A little weird, but we can make it work. Starting with finger 4 in the left hand. 1, ready, go. 1, 2. Now I'll shift back up. Now I'm going to shift back over.